Hi, I'm Maryam, and today let's make fried filled tomatoes with me. First, let's cut tomatoes in few pieces. Now let's cut the inside. Now let's put these rings in this plate and now we're gonna smash these. I'm now gonna tell you a fun fact. You don't think that these look like tomato bracelets? You also need to be careful from the knife. You can cut your finger. Now I'm gonna mash these tomatoes and come back. I just mashed it and put it in this bowl. I'm gonna put this aside and cut the paprika. It is really satisfying to hear the sound. Now let's add tomato and paprika together. Now let's cut green onion. This is a really yummy recipe and you guys need to try this at home. And this is also really healthy and I like green onion. A little bit thick. Cooking. It is almost my favorite thing to make for my parents. And I really like vegetables cutting and I like them eating. Now I'm done cutting the green onion. Now I'm gonna put in this bowl. All vegetables mixed together. Now we will take 2 eggs. The chicken laid really much eggs. It worked! Yes, I did it for the first time. Now let's put the eggs into this bowl. Now let's put 1 spoon of white flour. Careful. Now let's mix it all together. Now it is time to add some spices. This is the spice. Now I'm gonna add a little bit of salt, but if you like, you can add more salt and more spices. Let's add cumin and coriander powder. Let's mix it. Let's cook these tomato rings. Let's add oil. Let's add the rings. It's done now. I'm gonna add this batter which I just made. Now I'm gonna put the batter with this ice cream scooper. I added a little bit too much, but I think that I should have added less. It looks very delicious and yummy. Before flipping, let's add some mozzarella cheese. Now let's cook it for 2 minutes with the lid on. Now we're gonna flip it. And we're gonna cook it for 2 minutes on that other side. It looks very yummy. And also crispy. I really like this recipe. And remember, you need to try it. Need to. Wow, I didn't expect that to look really yummy. This is my first time making fried filled tomatoes. And it turns out very delicious. And when I cook, the food looks always delicious and it turns out always good. I think that I am a natural chef. I think they're all cooked and we're gonna put it in this plate. Wow, it is so yummy. My fried filled tomatoes are ready to eat. And if you like this video, then like and subscribe. And don't forget to share this video at your friends and family. And see you next time. Bye!